how to install the packages in RStudio. Let's quickly go and open RStudio. So that is the interface of RStudio. Then how do I install the package? So we go here to Tools, Install Packages, and then write the name of the package that you want to install. For example, I want to install the package called revtools. Then you click install. Here you can see now the package is now installed. I can install another package. Let's install, for example, maptools. So I click install. Then you can see the package is installed. You can also install another package. You can install, for example, a package called bibliometrix. You can see it is also installed. Then after installing the packages, sometimes you need to update the package that you have installed before. In this case also, you can go to Tools. How do you update the package? Then you see, check for package updates if you want to update them. Then you can select one and then update the package that you want to update, or you can select all so that you can update all the packages. If you want to, for example, let's say update, for example, this one, then you install update. Then the update is downloaded and the package is going to be updated. Or you can select all and then install update. That means it is going to automatically update all the packages. See, it is now updating all the packages. So this is how you can install the packages and how you can update the packages using the RStudio. Thank you.